it's Laura, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've just tested out Spectrum's new palette. This is called the Pantherine collection, so they have the eyeshadow palette and they have the brush sets that you can get. I do have the eye brush set here as well. Now I already know by looking at this that I'm going to get so much use out of this palette. There's so many colours in here that I use usually on the daily anyway. So this is filled with 6 matte shades and then it has 3 shimmers running across the middle. You could do so many eye looks with this. It's just a really nice natural looking palette, or you could make it a bit more dramatic. You can do what you want with it basically. I'm just going to swatch the 3 shimmer shades in the palette just so you can see how pigmented they are. These here, the colours are absolutely insane. I'm obsessed with them. So nice. These are going to be perfect for over Christmas as well, when you do so many nice Christmassy looks with it. Yeah, so if you would like to see this look that I created today using this palette, then just keep watching. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will leave all the products that I used linked below if anyone would like to go and check them out. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me. Thanks for watching.